Hi beautiful people, if you love to see how I achieve this lovely fox locks, then keep watching, do not skip so that you won't miss any single step of braiding it. So guys, let's jump into the tutorial. First thing, you achieve these lovely locks on a clean hair. Make sure the hair is washed and moisturized with a cream. So guys, this is the locks I will be attaching to it, and we are using just one pack. So inside a pack we have 26 inside a pack. So what we are going to do, we are going to be cutting it into two so that we'll be able to achieve the perfect length that we want. So it's not a must you cut it into two, depend the length you want to achieve. So this particular one, this is the perfect length that my client wants, so we have to cut it into two. So guys, this particular locks is a kind of locks that doesn't have hook, like it doesn't have a loop. Yes, so some people don't know how to fix this particular locks. Some people use king. Yes, is another way of applying it. Is another way of doing it. You can actually apply king to do it as well. But if you really want it natural, if you want it to look so much natural, this is the best method for you to apply on this particular locks. Yes, just pay attention and watch carefully guys. You guys will love the outcome of the locks. So guys, let me greet my people before they'll say Queen Aniki don't know how to greet. Oh, my lovely people, I salute you all. My returning subscribers, thanks for always tuning into the channel. And for my new subscriber, thank you so much for tuning to this channel. I love you all. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, this is how we keep going with these lovely locks. Can you see? So this particular video, I'll be showing you two methods of doing these particular locks. And the first one, that's the first one I'm showing you how to do it. Firstly, you braid the hair aside. Make sure you count the natural braid so that you won't get stranded while you are trying to fix the locks. Yes, so after counting it, and make sure you have the perfect cutting. So after that, you just use the tip of the locks. After opening it into two, you use it to grip the natural hair that you braid aside, then you continue. This is the second method that I'm showing you guys. So this video is 2 in 1. So the second method depend on the client's hair. Some clients has a coarse hair, in which after braiding the natural hair, the hair will look so thick. So if you have that kind of clients, that means you are not using that first method, you're using this particular method I'm doing here. So just pay attention, watch carefully. Let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoy watching this tutorial. So guys, this is how you do it. After gripping the hair with the locks, you take your crochet pin and you started passing the natural hair in between the locks. So while you're trying to pass the hair inside the locks, make sure you do it gently so that the locks will not get scattered. You know, there's some locks that are soft while some are a bit strong, so depend the kind of locks you are using. So please, while you're trying to pass the natural hair in between the locks, make sure you do it gently to avoid the locks not to get scattered. So guys, these are the one I've done. Can you see? So now, can you see guys, it's looking so natural. Like even the natural hair is not coming out. Yes, the natural hair is not coming out. So this is the second method here that I want to show you. As you can see, I'm losing the natural braid. Yes, I'm losing it. So this is the second method, because if your client's hair is a coarse, you have to loosen it. Can you see? Then I use the hair to grip it. Can you see? I drop the other locks while I just braid the tips of the locks. I mean, you grip it very well while you are trying to fix it. One I loosed, I use it to grip the root of the natural hair, then I braided it together. Can you see, guys? So make sure as you're braiding it, braid it very tight so that you'll be able to secure the locks inside the natural braid to avoid it coming out. So after braiding it, this is what you do. You take your crochet pin, you pass it gently inside the locks, then you take the tips of the natural hair, you hook it with the pin, then you pass it. While you are trying to fix that, do it gently. Can you see, guys? Then you bring it out. After bringing it out, you continue from that same spot till you secure the natural hair in between the locks. Can you see? It's not obvious. So if you are doing this, that means you are doing a perfect work. So after that, you just use your hand to lock it well, because as you are trying to use crochet pin to pass it, the locks might have been loose, so you have to use your hand to locking it well. Can you see, guys? See what I'm doing here? Can you see? Just open it small, not too much, then you use the tips to grip the natural hair. Can you see, guys? So make sure you grip the roots well, make sure you hold it firm, and that's how you keep going. So as you're braiding it, braid it tight. I mean the body of the braid. So after that, you just go ahead and you pass the natural braid in between the locks, just for you to secure it and to make it look natural. Can you see, guys? So some people doesn't know how to fix this particular locks. They don't know how to use this method. Some people use king to wrap the roots of it. So to me, I think doing it that way will give it another look, but this one will make it look natural. Yes. So let me know in the comment section, guys, if you love this video, and if this video is helpful to you, give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section. So guys, after that, I go ahead and apply my hair mousse. As you all know, we all know what mousse does in a braid, especially locks. So now after applying the mousse, you use your hand to lock it very well so that the mousse will penetrate well with the locks. And you see, guys, so now I'm done. I'm trying to fix the edges, like I'm laying the edges. Can you see? So I'm using shine and jam. It's not a must you use shine and jam. You can use any kind of your favorite wax to lay it. So this is me trying to lay the edges. Can you see, guys? We are almost done. It's just for us to come to lay the edges. Can you see, guys? So let me know in the comment section if you love this video, and if this tutorial is helpful to you guys. Give those video a big thumbs up, share to your friends and family. As you all know, sharing is part of caring. Don't watch it alone, please. Share to others, so that they will also benefit from you. Sharing is part of caring. So guys, can you see? So after laying the edges, I repeat the same thing on the other side. Then I'm trying to use the remaining wax to fix the braid. So now this is me trying to style the hair. Although the styling is not something serious, you just want to, just to style it a bit, because making locks the first day, you won't be able to style it the way you want it. But this is just a simple styling that we want to do. After 1 week, then we can go ahead and style it as we wish. So guys, I'm just trying to style it in a simple way because she doesn't want to go out with it like that. And this is the final look of this lovely locks. Thank you so much, guys. Let me know if you really enjoy watching. Thank you. Leave a comment in the comment section, share to your friends and family. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah.